What is going on, YouTube? Background of the video. Finally back on camera. I think it's been a while since I've actually like filmed myself on camera making a vlog. Yeah, it's been a minute. And if y'all can't tell, I'm in an entirely different car today. I'm about to go right now and pick my car from UPO's. Just had a couple of things done to it. Somebody had opened their door and they dinged my car, so I got the little dent fixed and a couple little spots on the body, you know, getting them touched up, getting things ready to head back. I mean, with that, I was supposed to be heading back like in June, but that ain't happening. Like, we got extended out here until June 30th. I don't know when I'm gonna be leaving here. It's probably not gonna be until probably like July, August. Like, I don't even know. So, but the time I have left, I'm gonna really focus on getting as much stuff done to my car as I can. So that's why we're picking up today, and we're gonna take that thing down to Speed Factory. And once I get there, I'll give you guys a rundown on everything I'm gonna be getting done to the car. What's up, Negro?
Yeah. What's up, big dog? What's up, man? Damn, I feel like I haven't seen you.
I know, right? I was just telling him earlier that it's been a minute since I've been on camera. So what you been up to, man? Chilling?
Yeah. I'm doing as much as I can do.
Right. So are you like busy?
Not really.
Alright, because we gotta go to the Speed Factory. Cranking my car.
Damn, that's an hour, right?
Yeah. We take the expressway.
I mean, it don't matter to me.
I got your toll money right there, so you ain't gotta worry about it.
I get it all back in Texas, my friend.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. Only perk about living off base down south. Travel expenses to work, tolls are included. You know, I've only been to Speed Factory one time.
For real?
Yeah. They put the intercooling and all that in there?
They put the intercooler, the clutch, suction kit.
Oh, this is about to be funny. This clutch.
Oh yeah, I'm about to be like a brand new manual driver.
Let's hit that. Nope.
Bro, tell me why I was driving this shit earlier. I was trying to make a U-turn. I put the shit in fucking park thinking it was first gear. Like, big ass rookie, bro.
I was driving my wife's car the other day. And she has an emergency brake on the floor.
Yeah.
I pushed the emergency brake thinking
it was a clutch.
Yeah.
I did that earlier too. I was like, I was trying to, damn. Like, well, that's not what that's for.
Nope. I said, oh. That shit was funny. How you been though? Just working, chilling?
Just chilling. I was supposed to be leaving in June, but now I don't know when I'm leaving.
Really?
Yeah.
They pushed my boys back to August. He was supposed to leave last week.
Because I was supposed to leave in June and go to school in like July through August pretty much. And I looked at the school online and there is no available seats until August, so I don't know when the fuck I'll be leaving here.
You're going to a school for the military?
Yeah.
What school?
It's ECS school, Expeditionary Combat Skills.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Man, so you just on hold until they get that figured out, huh?
Yep, pretty much.
Well, it's looking like I'm about to get extended. So I can't, all the paperwork I need to do, I cannot do because either they're holding up. I haven't seen your car just cleaned a little bit.
Just pulled up. Remember I had some scratches right here?
Yep.
All that shit is gone now. Dent is gone. That just needs to get buffed.
Yeah, I would say you have to do a buff and waxing.
Buff and wax, yeah. Everything's all.
I need to do mine too.
Everything's all looking good, man. Everything's looking good. Yes, sir. Got a lip. It's looking good, man. It's looking real good now.
Yeah.
That was like bothering me for like the longest time too, man.
You got my car looking right.
Your car.
Yeah.
Just on base right now, filling up. And premium is 261 out here. So just getting some gas.
What you say about it?
I want that big copyright, just getting some gas, like I said. Then we go head down to Speed Factory. Car's looking real clean right now, man. Real clean, real clean. Speed Factory. Did you hear it in the tunnel?
Did I hear? I saw it and I heard it.
Oh, it's gonna look good?
So I was on the phone with someone I'm mad because she called while as soon as I was about to start recording.
Uh-huh.
And as soon as I answered the phone, boom! I was like, okay, okay. Marcus's Gtr on the come up over here. It sounds nice though. When we left Cadena, you got on it. I was like, I don't remember it being like that.
Yeah, it's loud now.
Is R33 for sale or what?
No, that's you know Tom Pernella?
Mm-hmm.
That's his car. This is daily.
It's nice.
That's what I said. I want to be on that.
Look at your daily right now.
True. Almost ready? Ready?
My next SR?
He is SR. Yeah. I'm just in love with this part right here.
No, it's beautiful.
I wish like that part of his car was like clear, so you can see this. Yeah,
That's beautiful.
it's really beautiful.
This car must be nasty.
You finished my car Monday?
Maybe.
Just call me. I'll come tomorrow, see you.
The next day.
Welcome back. So we're actually like a couple of days, more than a couple of days in the future. I got the car back already. I've had it, driving it, all that stuff. And the reason I haven't been like filming, or I didn't really like finish up the video, was because one, it started raining over there when I got there, so to pick the car up, so I couldn't film then. And then just got, you know, busy with work and shit. We don't need to really talk about the world right now, how crazy everything is. And really there's no spots to film, but I found a quiet little spot, just it's real quiet, like right over here, or tucked in somewhere. And you know, we're gonna finish up this video. It's been sitting on my computer and I want to edit it, I want to get it out for you guys, and I want to show you everything that's been done to the car. So, you know, the first thing the most important thing that I had done in the car was getting the twin plate clutch, and I'll let you guys hear that right now. Okay, the next thing, okay, was the front mount intercooler. You guys can see it down there. The license plate's in the way, but you guys can see the intercooler. Let that start up. You guys can see the boost controller right there. It's much better than the one that I had, so you guys can see that. And the other thing that I had done up under the hood, there is some real work that needs to be done in this Ninja Bay. It needs to get all cleaned up. It needs to get looking better than what it does right now, and it will. I have to go get a couple of things. I need to get a new ABS clip from Nissan. Yeah, I want to get new ones, the new clips for the ABS. I'm gonna get a couple of newer parts and try to clean some of this stuff up and make it look a little bit cleaned up under here. I'm gonna polish this up. I'm gonna polish up the radiator. I'm gonna polish this up. I'm gonna polish up this piping. So it's not gonna look as good as the gravity suction piping is, but it'll still look okay. And then I'll try to work on getting the engine bay all cleaned up again. But it's finally coming together. It's finally looking better, I guess. Looking like a real GTR. Doesn't look as stock anymore. As far as like driving goes, it does get a little bit more turbo sounds. You get a little bit more spoolie noises, and that is to be expected. It is to be expected to get a little bit more turbo noises and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm really happy about how the car's coming out right now. I was supposed to be leaving, like I said earlier in the video. I don't know when I'm leaving, so I'm just gonna keep getting shit done in the car that I can get done, and that's pretty much it. I do want to get a new cooling panel, one that goes all the way across. But like I said, I will get this one cleaned up. Oh, I do have more shit for the car on the way. Yeah, so we'll just keep rolling like that. And other than that, man, the car's looking good. I did put my car in the shop. I had like I had a big, that wasn't big, but it was like right here where my finger is. It's right there. That's where my finger, yeah, it's right there. So I opened their door and they got my shit. So I had that fixed. I had them actually repaint this whole portion of the car. I had some scratches over here that need to get fixed anyway. But other than that, man, the car's looking good. This morning, came out in the brake check of my car, so I was happy about that. Yeah, it's just, we're just gonna keep this thing going as much as we can get done. And I'll find out when I'll be leaving here. I'll update you guys. Get me one of these. I'm very scatterbrained today, but this thing looks like it has like herpes or some shit. Shit looks gross. And I will be doing my best to get all this shit cleaned up too. But if you guys like the content, man, you know what to do. I'm gonna get out of here. Look out for more driving videos, because that's like the last Liberty that we have left. So look out for that. And man, you guys be good out there. Have fun. Just do the best you can in these times. If you guys want me to talk about it, I'll talk about it. But if not, I'll leave it alone. Peace.